Welcome to this 10-minute autosuggestion relaxation. Lie down comfortably on the mat. Use a cushion or block for your head. Make sure that you are warm enough. Make any small adjustments so that you feel fully supported. And allow your body to settle. Take a few slow, deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest and belly. With each exhale, imagine letting go of any tension as the body settles just a little deeper. And then in your mind, repeat after me. I relax my toes and feet. My toes and feet are completely relaxed. I relax my ankles and calves. My ankles and calves are completely relaxed. I relax my shins and knees. My shins and knees are completely relaxed. I relax my thighs. My thighs are completely relaxed. I relax my hips and buttocks. My hips and buttocks are completely relaxed. I relax my lower back. My lower back is completely relaxed. I relax my belly and groin. My belly and groin is completely relaxed. I relax my waist and diaphragm. My waist and diaphragm are completely relaxed. I relax my ribs and lungs. My ribs and lungs are completely relaxed. I relax my spine. My spine is completely relaxed. I relax my fingers and hands. My fingers and hands are completely relaxed. I relax my forearms and elbows. My forearms and elbows are completely relaxed. I relax my upper arms. My upper arms are completely relaxed. I relax my shoulders. My shoulders are completely relaxed. I relax my neck and throat. My neck and throat are completely relaxed. I relax my jaw. My jaw is completely relaxed. I relax my tongue and mouth. My tongue and mouth are completely relaxed. I relax my lips and cheeks. My lips and cheeks are completely relaxed. I relax my eyes and eyelids. My eyes and eyelids are completely relaxed. I relax my ears and scalp. My ears and scalp are completely relaxed. I relax my brain. My brain is completely relaxed. I relax my mind. My mind is completely relaxed. And then start to bring your awareness back into the body, wriggling the fingers and toes, maybe rolling the legs and arms side to side. Maybe turning the head side to side to loosen any tension in the neck. Feel the mat beneath you. And allow yourself to gradually start moving a bit more. Maybe placing your hands on your belly and chest. And then in your own time, and there is no rush, slowly and gently open your eyes. And just notice how the body feels, the stillness and the calm. And take those feelings into your day.